Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making a delicious dessert and it's going to be sweet potatoes and syrup. Over here I have 3 sweet potatoes, 3 cloves, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 pinch of salt, and 1/4 of teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, but I combine it with pilonsillo, but I only got 3. But if you have pilonsillo, you can always use 1. And this is the brown sugar I'm using, the dark brown sugar, and 1.5 cups of water. Okay, so I'm gonna start by cutting my sweet potatoes. So I have the pan where I'm gonna be cooking my sweet potatoes, and I have the sweet potatoes over here. I already washed them. So I'm gonna cut the size of the sweet potato. And I'm not going to be removing the skin. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut these little parts that the sweet potatoes have. And, well, they come from the ground. So, okay, so I'm going to cut them this size maybe. This one is fine. And you can make the sweet potatoes as big as you want them. I'm gonna do them like this. Okay, this one is the last one. I have all the sweet potato here. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the water here. And the cinnamon stick, I'm gonna break it in half. It's hard. Right there. And the 3 cloves. I put one in one side, the other one here, and the other one here. And the sugar. And now I'm going to take it to the stove, okay? So here I already turned on the stove, so I'm going to put it in medium right now, and later on I'm going to lower a little bit the fire. So I'm going to put the top over and let them cook for about 25 minutes to 20 minutes, and then we're going to put the rest of the ingredients, okay? Okay, we're going to check the sweet potatoes and see how they look. And here they are. We only put 1 cup of water, so we're gonna use the other half for something else. They're looking good right now, so I think they're gonna be ready for the next step. So here I have the other half of the water, and I'm gonna put the salt over here, and I'm gonna put the baking soda right here. And I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of brown sugar here and mix it. Mix it real good. And we're going to put it in the sweet potatoes, okay? So here are sweet potatoes. Looking good. I'm gonna turn them over. You don't have to, but I'm gonna do it. And these sweet potatoes are probably gonna take like 45 minutes. So 25, and then you put the water of the baking soda here, and then you wait for another 25 minutes, okay? So I have it right here. Mix it very well and put it right here. So I'm gonna put the top on the pan again and leave it there for 25 minutes, okay? And low fire. Let's check our sweet potatoes. They're still cooking in here. They need more time. So our sweet potatoes almost done. We're gonna give them a little minutes more. To see. We're gonna give them another 5 minutes. They're almost done. So our sweet potatoes are done. So I'm gonna turn it off now. You see the syrup, how it looks. So I'm gonna turn it off and we're gonna put it in a plate, okay? Look how good they look. So they're done and they look real good. Okay, so now I'm gonna put them in this container. Okay, so our sweet potatoes are done. So I'm gonna be serving one. They look real good. So I get this one right there. And I'm gonna cut it so you can see how it is from the inside, nice and soft. Here you go. So I'm gonna try it now. Looks real good. With a little syrup. It's real good. So this is how they look when we're done. Those are all the sweet potatoes we got. And I hope you like the recipe. And thank you for watching all my videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe.